So now that we have taken a look at why we select textual evidence and how we are making those choices, we need to look at how we pick good evidence and how to incorporate it within our writing. So first, you want to make sure that you choose relevant text or quotes. So you want to choose quotes that actually help you explain what you are claiming, and you want to select quotes that actually discuss the topics or the characters that you are talking about. So if I wanted to make a claim about Daniel and Charlie's relationship, for example, it wouldn't make sense for me to use a quote that discusses how Natasha feels about her father. So you also want to make sure you are only using as much textual evidence that is needed. You want to be concise. You don't need to use a whole paragraph when just one sentence from it is sufficient enough to support your claim. So now how do we incorporate these quotes or this text into our writing? So first we want to introduce or in some way lead into the quotation, and this helps readers understand whose words are being quoted and or understand why the quote is important. So some examples of good introduction phrases are things like, Natasha feels like she, and then you would insert the quote and then you would want to cite it properly. So other phrases include, according to Daniel, from Natasha's point of view, Daniel tells or says to Natasha, and Natasha believes that. Now these are just a few, there are many more out there. You just want to make sure that you are introducing who is speaking or what the quote is about.